Meet the Google Pixel 9, unlocked, powerful, and packed with AI-powered features like Gemini, a 24-hour battery, and an advanced camera system that takes stunning photos effortlessly. Let's dive into why this might be the best Android phone of the year. Design and display. The Pixel 9 features a premium matte finish obsidian black design, sleek, fingerprint-resistant, and built to impress. But the real star? The 6.3-inch Actua display, brighter, sharper, and more vibrant than ever, perfect for streaming, gaming, or just scrolling through your feed. With improved peak brightness, you'll see every detail, even under direct sunlight. And thanks to the 120 Hz refresh rate, everything feels buttery smooth. Gemini AI and performance. Powered by Google's next-gen Tensor G3 chip, the Pixel 9 is smarter than ever. Gemini AI helps you write, edit photos, and even summarize long articles in seconds. Need to remove photo bombers? Done. Want real-time translation? Easy. This isn't just a phone, it's your AI assistant, always learning and adapting to make your life easier. Camera. Google's legendary camera system is back and better than ever. The Pixel 9's 50-megapixel main sensor captures insane detail, while AI-enhanced night sight lets you take bright, clear photos in near darkness. And with real-tone technology, every skin tone looks natural. No more washed-out faces. Plus, Magic Editor lets you tweak photos after the shot, moving subjects, changing skies, or even fixing blinks. 24-hour battery and more. Worried about battery life? The Pixel 9's all-day battery keeps you going. And with Extreme Battery Saver, you can stretch it even further. And when you do need a charge, 30-watt fast charging gets you powered up in no time. So, is the Google Pixel 9 worth it? With its insane camera, Gemini AI, and all-day battery, it's a strong contender for the best Android phone of the year. If you want a phone that's smart, fast, and just works, this might be it. What do you think? Would you upgrade to the Pixel 9? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech reviews. See you in the next one.